Hi everyone, I am back today and yes, with another video. Today we are doing a cake recipe video. This is a strawberry cake. I figure summer's coming up and this is the perfect time to get a strawberry cake in. All of the ingredients are listed on the top of the screen and you want to make sure that all of your ingredients are at room temperature. I'm just starting off with my softened butter. And yes, I'm using 2 sticks of butter. I'm adding my sugar and my pack of strawberry gelatin. I'm going to mix this on high until it becomes light and fluffy. And this will take about a couple of minutes. Now I will do a scrape down of the bowl real quick. And then to this mixture, I am going to slowly add my 4 eggs, which are also at room temperature. I have my stand mixer on low right now until my eggs have been mixed into my sugar mixture. I will do a quick scrape down of the bowl just to get all of the eggs into the mixture itself, and then I'm going to put this on high until it becomes light and fluffy. And that will also take about a couple of minutes. As you can see, my mixture has become very light and very fluffy. I'm scraping down my bowl. I am going to add my vanilla extract into my milk. My milk is also at room temperature. I just threw that in the microwave for about 30 seconds. And I will be alternating my dry ingredients with my wet ingredients. My flour has been sifted with my baking powder. I'm adding 1/3 of my dry ingredient in, keeping my mixer on low. Then I will be adding half of my milk and vanilla into the batter, and then repeat on my dry ingredients, which will be half of the remaining. And then the last of the milk, and the last of my dry ingredients. I'm keeping this on low just until it is lightly mixed. And then I'm going to take my paddle attachment off. And adding the last of the ingredients, which is my strawberry puree. Once I have this into my batter, I will be folding it in, making sure I don't overmix my batter as well. As you can see, it is a nice and fluffy consistency. I'm using 3 8-inch pans today, but of course you are more than welcome to use any cake size pan you choose. I have my oven preheated at 350, and this will bake in the oven for about 25 to 35 minutes. Of course, that will also depend on how much batter I have in my cake pan. I'm just going to give these a good shake, and then I am going to just place these into the oven. I do want to let you know that these 3 8-inch pans did bake for about 35 minutes. Fresh out of the oven, and this is what my strawberry cakes looks like. I'm excited to show you how I will be putting these cakes together. I've made this cake before in the past, but I'm not sure if I've ever uploaded it to my YouTube channel. This is also a favorite in the house. But once these are out of the oven, I let it cool just slightly. Once it's cooled down to where I can actually handle the cake pans, I will release it with my offset spatula and wrap it up with saran wrap and just put these in the freezer to chill. As you all know, I love working with frozen cakes. They are so much easier to handle. They don't dry out. They do keep their moisture. But with homemade cakes, you always want to make sure after prepping and decorating to take it out at room temperature for about at least an hour or two before serving. And this is about it, you guys. Make sure you guys stick around for the next part of this strawberry cake where I will be putting this cake together and decorating it. If you stuck around this long, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow my Instagram where I will be posting lots of pictures of all my cakes. If you guys have any ideas or suggestions of what I should be making next, definitely let me know. Let me know if you give this recipe a try. Thanks so much everyone for stopping by, and I will see you all in my next video.